start this. Find mean, mode, and median. All three you find of this. Find by step division. This one, assume mean method. Okay. The step division method is anyway, I think it's not there. Find mean by assume mean method, and this is a normal full assumed mean method. You can just do assumed mean method. Okay.
Sir, I'm getting mean as 49.3.
Mean as 49.3. Okay, let me check. No, it's 49.7. So mean is 49.7.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir,
Yes,
this
sir.
is-
Sorry, sir. 49.7 only.
7 only, right? This is the mean, just check. So this is the question what I've given right now. To find the mean, median, and mode of all this for this question. So to find mode, mean, and median. Okay. Praharshan,
Yes, sir.
Samarth, on your cameras now. Now on your camera. And start solving these questions by help of all the three formula. Mean, find all the three things, mean, median, and mode. Praharshan, tell me the mode formula.
Sir, L plus brackets FO minus F1 by 2 FO minus F1 minus F2 brackets into
Numerator what? Numerator what you are saying?
FO minus F1.
F1 minus F0.
Okay.
Divide by
2F1 minus F0 minus 2F2.
minus
I mean,
F2,
F2.
not F2, into H. Okay, this is mode. Okay. Samarth, you tell for median.
Sir, so we have to find mean or
All
mode.
three.
Okay.
Samarth, what is the formula for median?
Just sir, I actually cannot remember it. Can you please tell it?
Let's see what you got about median and mode.
Sir, I'm solving.
Sir, mean I got 49.7, mode I got 46.1.
Oh, so fast. OGIF graph is not there. No, OGIF is removed, right?
Sir,
OGIF graph is removed. No,
Yeah,
OGIF.
yeah, it's not there.
What conversion of
sir,
left
it's
hand side?
there, I think.
Huh?
Sir, in school they taught us a long time ago.
I think that's a different graph.
Okay,
It's
anyway,
O.
just once we solve, okay. Less than more than type we read once, okay. Then we get to know whether it's correct or not. First, all of you find this one, mean, median, and mode. So mean is 49.7. What about mean, median?
Sir, could you tell the median for me?
Samarth, you got median formula?
Yes, sir. N plus 1 by 2.
L plus 1 minute. I'm just writing here only. All the answers only right here. Can you see this? Arshan?
Yes, sir, now I remember.
So this is the formula of mean, n by 2. So for this one, you have to find what? You have to find CF also, right?
Yes.
So CF is find here separately, CF, then you can just proceed further. So first will come 7 only CF, then after CF what will come? This is 7, after this what will come? Wait, and let me make 80. 7, then the next one will come 31 plus 7, 38, right? Then it's come 38, 3, 11, 71. Then 80, 88. Then it will come 99, and then it will come 100, right? This is your cumulative frequency, correct? This is your cumulative frequency. All right. Now, which is your median class? 100 by 10, that is 50, right? 50 is the median class. So which one you should take? This class, right? So you can write here L is equals to what? L is equals to 45.
Sir,
by
I'm
2.
getting mode
Huh.
as 45.
And median 48.65 you got.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Anyone having doubt in all this? Rasool,
No, sir.
you're having doubt or what?
Sir, mode I am getting 46.1.
Mode is what? 1 minute. Mode is 46.11, right?
Yeah, I got 46.11.
Rishi, what you got?
Sir, what?
Mode, what you got?
Sir, I got 45.
45. See here, for mode, if you see, your number of repeating thing is 33, right? This is the mode class, correct? So lower limit is also 45 only. Again, this is your F1, upper one is F0 and down one is F2, correct?
Yes, sir.
So see here, F0, the F1 that is 33 minus 31 divided by 66 minus 48. How it comes 66 minus 48? You just put the formula 2F1 minus F0 minus F2.
F2.
Huh?
Sir,
What
I got
happens?
median as 48.6.
Huh. So this is just check where you done mistake. Mode, you are getting it or not, just check once again.
Sir, everything is correct only.
Everything is correct only, but mode is coming 45 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check once. 2F1 means 33 into 3, 66. 66 minus F0. F0 is 31 and minus 17. So what you'll get? If you solve this on 66 minus 48, you'll get no 66 minus 48 only, right? So this will come 45 plus 2 divided by what will you get? 8, 6,
18.
8, 18 you get. Yes, 2 by 18 is 1 by 9. So 10 by 9, right? This be 10 by 9, you'll get 46.11. Check.
Hmm.
Brishi, check. You will get 46.11 only. Praharshan, you got the same answer, 46.11.
Yes, sir.
Rasool, have you solved this?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Rasool, on your camera. Next question is, you should convert into less than and more than type, okay? Then only you can find OG graph or whatever it is. It will not take much big something and all, okay? I'm asking the question, how to find the less than and more, less than type you can find easily. But more than type you may have bit doubt. So less than and more than type. So question is, first of all, you just draw less than type. First you tell less than type.
Sure, can you please first explain how to do this? Actually, we don't know.
See, to finding cumulative frequency, what we are doing, Samar?
Yeah, we are adding the last frequency with the next frequency.
Same only, cumulative frequency you are finding now. That way only you should find the less than type. That is very easy. That I'm telling once again, if you are just asking, I'll just put over here. I'll just copy paste, I'll do here, then I'll just tell you. 1 minute. See, this is a table for less than type. Compare this. This is 38 to 40. It means that less than 38 is what? 0, right? Or you can start from less than 40, all right? You can start, I told no, less than 40. less than 42, less than 44, less than 46, less than 48. I told you in the last class, Samarth.
Yes, I understood it. Yeah, I understood this graph. Yeah.
So less than part you are saying means how to move further. You understood 3 as it is we are writing. Then 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Like that itself, right?
Yes.
How we are finding cumulative frequency, that way only you are keep on doing this. So cumulative frequency, how we are finding this one? 3 as it is, then 3 to 5, then 9, 14, like this, so we'll keep on going, right? Anyone
Yeah.
having doubt in less than type? Only extra thing you should add is less than 35. This one you should add extra. Okay. You have to add extra this one. Less than 38 is 0. Less than 40 is 3. Less than 42 is 5. Less than 44 is 9. Less than 46 is 14. Then how to do more than? More than you may have doubt, right?
No, sir. I am doing it. Just it will take a minute. We'll just invert the table, right? Yeah.
More than 50, more than 52 will be what? Everything will come, right? Then more
Yeah.
than 50, more than 48, like that, you can just keep on going. So I have not told you
Sir,
more than till
Sir,
now.
more than 52, nothing will come, right?
More than 38 you can do, right?
Yeah, more than 38, everything will come.
That's why I'm telling Ulta. More than 52, if you do, you'll get
Yeah.
0.
Yeah.
So for this one, I'm just. Now just putting more than graph here. More than table. See this more than table. So here start from like this. More than table would be, suppose more than or equal to 38, this is your 35. All students will come under this. More than 40 means, these 3 people will not be there, right? These 3 people will not be there. If you do more, see here first you write 35. Then 35 minus 3, 32. 32 minus 2, 30. 30 minus 4, 26. 26 minus 5, 21. 21 minus 14, 7. 7 minus 4, 3. Then 0. Got it? This is greater than 38, greater than 40, greater than 50, and greater than 52 is 0. Understood? In this way, we have to write. This is the difference between less than and more than type. Anyone having doubt in this less than and more than type? How to write this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So first you draw this note, I'll write in the notebook first, all of you. Then we have to draw OGIF graph. Once you learned, not a problem.
Already drawn this table, sir.
Yeah. It will take 2 minutes time. Just write down less than and more time. I want practice once because this is the only thing which is every time repeating in the board exams. The same questions. Less than and more time. Based on this, you should draw the OGIF graph. By the help of OGIF graph, they are finding median also. Rasool, Adarsh, on your cameras. After drawing the graph, see, this is the less than algebra graph. Till 35 should reach. Less than 52, where should reach? See, this is your less than type graph. Less than type. See. Okay. At 38 is 0. At 40 is 3. At 42 it's 5. Like that is approximate. You can just draw by yourself. Okay. Something mistake also will be there in this. So this is your less than type graph. And now more than. See your more than this one. This is your more than graph. And the graph where it meets. Where the graph meets, right? That is your median. Where this is meeting, no, that is your median. All right. So median is, if you see here, median is 46.5 approximate. You can see that. You can see this, which is the median here. That is your 46.5. See this one. So median is, if you're writing 46.5 will come. This is the median thing we are just having here. Okay. Now weight in kgs. That is your median. All right. We have to find from this only, no? So weight in kg is your median. It is 46.5. If you want to find median, it will come 46.5. You can do by that formula also, you'll get the same answer. All right. Graph is clear to everyone? Samarth?
Yes, clear only. No problem.
Adarsh?
Sir, can you explain again?
Less than or more than part, which one?
So the more than part.
Means to draw this one. This one you are saying to draw this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, if I tell you here more than 38, what will come more than 38, Drishti? Means everything is coming under more than 38, right? If there are 35 students are there, if I ask you more than 38, everything will come into picture or not? Drishti?
Yes, sir.
Then see, if I tell you greater than 40, more than 40 if I say, then these 3 people will be removed. So 38 minus 3, that is 35. 38 minus 3 is 35 or what? 1 minute. Here is given 32. Here 35 is coming, no? 1 minute. I should write 35, not 38. Here I should write 35. I'll write here 35, then 32, then 30. Now you understood, I think. Drishi?
Yes, sir.
And as per this two graph, less than and more than, we are having the same graph over here down also. Down you see, at 38 it's 0, less than type C, 38 is 0, 40 is 3, 42 is 5, 44 is 9. The same way we have drawn here, okay, graphs. And where this is matching, that is come down here, that is your 46.5 approximate. So answer is 30. This is also one way to find the median. Rasul is clear.
Yes, sir.
Praharshan?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
No, I'm not saying it's clear or not. I'm asking to on the camera.
Sir, my camera is on, sir.
Now it's on. I know. Find F1 and F2 for the frequencies. Find F1 and F2 for the below question. Okay. Last time we have done the same type question or same question. Let's do this. All of you find this. Find the missing frequency F1 and F2. Find the missing frequency. Find F1 and F2. Anyone got the missing frequency? You got Samarth answer?
Will take 2 minutes, sir.
Praharshan,
Sir, I'm in addition part.
addition part. Which addition you are doing?
Sir, like the XIF.
Taking long time, long time people are taking. Do fast. F1 and F2. I want answer from this. Firstly, I just put here answer in chat box. Praharshan, if you off your camera next time, let's remove from the meeting. Remember, you are saying all the time my camera is on. Okay. While solving, you require this camera off while solving.
Sir, I'm sitting on my feet, sir. That's
It's on your feet. Achha. I'm also sitting on my feet.
sir, like I don't know how to explain this. So do you know the
Yeah, I know.
elbow and the leg, like the
Yeah, I know. While sitting on the ground, people are eating, like that, right?
like sitting on the knees?
Same thing. That is, should be habitual. You should be habitual. You're still young, right?
So like sitting in the same without like folding my legs is a little bit. Now when I on the camera, I have to fold my legs, right? So that's why.
Okay. So you're feeling difficulty to write. Yes. Right.
Yes, sir.
Every day you do the same or today only?
Sir, every day.
Okay. Take some front part. One table you take at least. You just
Not needed.
spread
Ground
your
is
leg.
better.
Spread your leg, and you can just table will be split up. Means you can easily write also on that.
Sir, but I don't even need a table. After, like it's only for the classes. After that, I don't use it.
Now you see, you can write easily. Now you see. You can put camera up, not a problem. Put your hand, only face you can show, not a problem. That's fine. Anyone got the answer, Drishi? You got the answer? Chanchal?
Sir, I'm solving.
Chanchal, you joined late. Why?
Sir, there is a network error.
Network problem.
Yes, sir.
Which method you are doing? Assumed method or normal method? Which method your people are doing?
The normal
The
method.
first method.
Direct method you are doing.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So calculation will be more in that, right?
The multiplication is big, sir.
That's why you can do by other method. Here the method given is step this one, assume mean method.
It's assumed mean here.
Because direct if you do, it will be so bigger, right? Answer would be 20 and 10. F1 is 20 and F2 is 10. You got the answer 20 and 10 by normal method, direct method.
It's taking a bit of time, sir.
Okay.
I got the same, sir.
You got the same.
There 28, 10, right? F1 equals to 20 and F2 equals to 10.
Yeah, 20 and 10.
Yeah. Good. Actually, I also did the assumed mean method because it didn't work in normal method. It was taking too much of time.
And now what I taught right now only less than more than type, right? Now you should draw the graph for this in your notebook, and you have to find the median by the help of that graph. Okay, the question is, this is the question. Rasool, you are doing this? Rasool,
Yes, sir.
Others?
Sir, is it 93.33?
93.33. Okay. Answer should be 58.3. Praharshan. You do by normal method, like a normal formula, you just try. Praharshan.
Sir, what is the CF in this?
CF you can do easily, no? Here 10, then 18, then 18 plus 12, 30, like that. Keep on doing, right?
The total is 100.
The 50 will come, no? The
So
CF
that's
if you
gonna be in 24 should be the CF.
see, here you see, here 10 only will come. Then here 18, then 30, then 54, then 60, then 85, then 100, right?
Yes,
Then CF lies between where? Where CF will lie?
50 to 60.
Huh. 1 minute. CF lies from 50 to 60, this only, right?
Yes,
So formula is what? L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. What is L here? L is 50. Then plus N by 2 plus, what is N by 2? 50, right?
yes,
N by 2 minus CF. What is CF here? 30. Divide by F. F is how much? 24. F is
Sir, I'm getting 76 point something.
76 point something you are getting.
sir, I found the mistake.
It's not 76. 58 point something should you are done by map or what? Drishi? Means you have done by
No,
this
sir.
by graph or by normal method formula.
Sir, by normal method.
Okay. So I'm also doing by normal only, just see this. So see what if I write here, what is your L? L is 50. Then you see plus 50 plus, what is your write? N by 2. Hey, what happened? 50 plus, hey. Coming. 1 minute, control Y.
Sir, it's okay. I found my mistake.
Okay. Somebody got the answer?
Sir, I am doing it by graph, trying it.
Okay. So 50, L is 50 plus 50 minus CF. 50 minus CF, CF is 30. Divided by F, that is 24. Into height is 10. Then we can write here 50 plus 20 by 24, 240 by sorry, 200 by 24, correct? Cancel this by 4. 4 6s are 24 and 4 50s are. Then 25 and 3. Okay. So 50 plus 25 by 3 is 8 point, what will come? 1 means 3. Around 58.3. 58.3 will come, correct? Got the answer, Praharshan?
Yes, sir.
This kind of question, don't try to take LCM. I told you so many times, don't try to take LCM over here.
No, sir, I didn't. The CF, I put it as 54 and I put plus instead of minus.
Acha. So here 50 as it is you put, and don't take LCM here. 25 by 3 you just solve separately. That is 8.3. The 8.3 plus 50, that is your 58.3. All right, that's it. By Ogive graph you have not tried, Drishi.
Sir, how much are you getting?
Answer should be 58.3.
3.3. I'm getting it near to 55.
Okay, fine. No problem. You are doing in graph paper or notebook?
Notebook only.
That's why some mistake here and there will come. It's not exact point will come, right?
Yeah.
Fine.
Near to 55 it's coming.
Okay, no problem. Fine. If you do in graph, then it come exactly. If you do in notebook, some here
Come
there.
exactly in graph.
Huh.
Accurately 8 months.
There is a relation between mean, median, and mode. Okay. Do you know what is the relation between mean, median, and mode? If mean and median is given to you, can you find mode? One more question. If mean and median is given to you, can you find mode?
Sir, is there a formula for this?
Yes. There is a relation.
Like that 3 median minus 2 mean equals to mode.
What 3 median?
Yeah, 3 median minus 2 mean equals to mode. I think the formula is. I don't know.
Yeah, correct. 3 median minus 2 mean is equal to mode. That is the correct formula.
Yeah.
3 million.
See here, see, not 3 million. See, this is the formula.
Oh, okay.
Three median is equals to mode plus 2 mean. Okay. So middle part is there. The right 3 median is equals to mode is 1, then plus 2 mean. Okay. This is the relation. Find the mode from here. You can find the mode.
Mean. So here it is not like that.
Huh?
In the question.
Question is not like that.
Yeah, you said that median is greater than both mode and mean.
Acha. So here what is happening?
Here it is given that
Not
mean
mode. What, which is greater than mean and median?
No, I was saying that median is greater than both mode and mean.
No.
So which one is the greatest?
So here by seeing only you can see that mean is greater than median, right?
Okay, so mean is
From the
greater than
formula,
median.
mean is greatest one, then median, then mode will come.
Okay.
So mean is the greatest, then median, then mode. What you're getting for mode? Mode should become less than 9.6. Is it like that? Yeah, mode is 7.8. If you solve, you'll get 7.8. Okay. So greatest one is your mean, then median, then mode. Okay. Relation is 3 median is equal. Last time I told no, mean is the greatest one.
So the answer is 7.8, right? Yeah, getting it.
7.8. So this is a relation. You remember, this will come 100% may come in 1 mark question. 100%. Okay. Next question is find the unknown value from the frequency table. This is a very easy question. This is for 1 mark or 2 mark. Find x1, x2, x3, x4. x1, x2, x3, 4. What is x1? What is x1 over here? x1,
X1 is 12.
5 plus 7, 12, right? Yeah, x1 is 12. Then 18. Then 6, x2 should be what? 6, right? x3 should be
Yeah,
what?
X2 is
18 plus.
26.
So this already, you know, anyone having doubt in this x1, x2, x3, x4 to find?
X3 equals to 23.
18 plus 5, 23 is x3. 18
And
plus 5 is
X4
23,
equals to 7.
23, 7. 23 plus 7 is 30. Okay, fine. Is it clear, Praharshan, how it is happening? x1, x2, x3, 4?
Yes, sir. It's just addition, right?
Cross addition. You have find so many cumulative frequency. So next time, just come with your doubts, mean, median, and mode, okay? And close the meeting over here itself. All right.
Okay.
Okay, children. You can thank you. You can just join later on.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good night.
Bye, sir.
Sir, is there a test tomorrow?
I don't think I will take test because here my laptop got damaged actually.
Okay, okay. So if there is any problem, there is no problem.
I'll just make that one, not a problem. Just try
Yeah.
to make just somehow I'm arranging this one. See, this everything is getting something. I'll try
Sir,
to give some test and all. Okay.
one thing you can do, you can send those questions which you think you can give to Hemant sir. He will do it from there.
What he'll do?
He will just post it as on the math site.
Oh, is
He's
it?
also admin in it, the topper, right? He's one of the admin, so he can do it.
Acha, okay. Fine. Okay, so much.